Here are a couple of really simple tricks I can show you to make learning House of the Rising Sun much easier on guitar. If you're new to this tune, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the whole thing in just a few minutes. Even if you know this song and maybe you're struggling with a couple of parts, maybe I can smooth it out for you a little bit. Okay, let's get right to it. All right, Hilton Valentine, amazing guitarist of the Animals, arranged this song. This song has origins going back to the 16th century, if you can imagine that. Okay, here's what he does. Grab your A minor chord. And let's just learn kind of a basic thing here, and then I'll tell you, I won't make you wait, I'll tell you the secret right away. Okay, so drag your pick, start at 5. Anchor yourself against your bridge, by the way. Drag your pick, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, upstroke 2. And then open your chord, let it go, and hit the open third string. That's the first little trick that I want you to know, is there's an open string in between every single chord of this tune, right? So he's actually doing this. I'm exaggerating my motion. C chord. That's an open string anyway. Watch D. All right? So that's the first tiny little trick, is there's an open string, but that's not the big trick. I'll tell that to you right now. Now, before I do, look at the tab that I have there. I tried to be very faithful to what Hilton played. Notice that once in a while there are some double notes, like on the C chord, he actually goes like this. Right? He hits 3 and 4, and you can hear that in the recording. And so there are several spots in this tab where I indicated where he did do that. Let's not really talk about that right now. Just hit the open third string just for simplicity's sake, okay? And later you can dig into the details. All right, here's the big secret. I won't make you wait for it. When you practice this song, don't practice the chords in isolation, okay? Don't do this. A minor, yay, C, yay, D, right? Don't do that, because your brain is then going to think of the song as a bunch of different chunks of music. We want to think of it as one cohesive thing. Here's my big trick. I want you to play the chord plus the first note of the next chord. Very simple idea, okay? This is how you practice House of the Rising Sun. On my C chord, but I only hit the first note. Okay, I do it again. Okay, that's how you practice House of the Rising Sun. Let's go through it together. All right, here we go. A minor to C. Okay, stop it right there and do that 10 times. Okay, C to D. Okay, I switched to D, but I didn't play the whole thing yet. I just did that. D to F. Now, before we do D to F, look at the tab down there. What Hilton actually does in the song, he goes like this. He comes down here to the 2nd fret of 4 and hits an upstroke on the 3rd and 4th strings before he gets to his F chord. Okay, it sounds really neat. He goes. Kind of a leading tone. If you find that difficult, don't do it. I'm not going to do it right now. Just hit the open 3rd string. Okay, ready? D to F. F is the bar. Unfortunately, you do need to bar 2 strings. Now we have F to A minor. Let's start on the 4th string. All right, A minor to C. Now this time we're going to go C to E. All right, now the E is kind of interesting. I'll do this right now. What Hilton does is he goes like this. 6, 5, 4. And he does hit 2 and 3 together, and then 1, 2, 3. So it goes. Me personally, I like to do this. I like to drag all the way through the E. I think it sounds cool and it's fun, and Hilton kind of does that too. All right, that's the first half of House of the Rising Sun. The second half of the tune is pretty much the same as the first, but it changes at the end. This part is the intro, by the way. You may have said, why didn't he start at the intro? This is the intro, okay? All right, I'll go through it with you fast. It's the same information. A minor to C. C to D. D to F. F to A minor. Now this time we're going to go A minor to E. Okay? So we're going to go. Okay? And then E to A minor. To E. Okay. Now in the intro, he does A minor to E, A minor to E. So he goes. of the song, here's what he does. He just kind of transitions from here, A minor. Now, right away he goes, he launches back into the verses, okay, into the first half again. Okay, so again, the intro is A minor, E, but during the verses, he goes A minor, E, and then the song starts again, A minor, C, D. Let's do a complete playthrough of all 16 bars. I'm going to go really slow. Try to play with me. Ready, go. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.